In this video I'm talking about 3 top penny stocks to buy now that could explode upwards in the coming weeks or so. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around after the intro, smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Hey guys, welcome into the video. Today we're discussing 3 top penny stocks to buy and their huge potential over the coming weeks or so. They're in a few different sectors, so I've tried to be a little bit more diverse than usual than just picking one. So let's get in there, let's have a look, and you can check out these companies on the OTC and on your Trading 212 apps. So the first company we are talking today is ADOM, ticker ADOM, and this is an EV company that is flying under the radar right now. Nobody seems to have really picked up on it that much, and that is, yes, because it is a penny stock and it's only just starting to gather some traction now, especially with the new Biden administration. There has been an uptick in the price recently. In December, early December, it ticked up to its maximum, and over the last couple of days or so it ticked up as well to 63 cents a share. The company's got some really decent news for some extra funding. It's 23 million of extra funding very recently, and exchange warrants for shares, issued warrants for exchange to common shares further down the line to raise some extra cash going forward. This company is an EV manufacturer, and we're just going to slide over to them now. They make zero emission vehicles over in the United States, and numerous different styles at that. And this company hasn't really hit the big time yet. It hasn't got the sort of market cap and the huge extra sort of effort in the stock that you sort of get, these wild PE ratios that get attached to EV companies. It hasn't sort of hit the big time yet, even though it has got some products getting out there. And with Biden's executive order saying that all federal vehicles will be switching to electric eventually, there's a good chance that this company will get contracts from this sort of sector and from that order. Workhorse is the big one that everybody knows about, but this company is low-key hovering in the background and could also potentially produce some of these vehicles for these contracts. So it's currently sitting at quite a low share price at the moment. Obviously, as it's a penny stock, it's like 42 cents a share. But it's highly volatile, of course it is, and it is a penny stock. You have to be aware of that. It's fell away recently, as with the rest of the market has sold off. All penny stocks seem to be down, but it's one to certainly keep your eye on at the very least. Moving on to our next company, we've got Alterity Therapeutics. Now this company has ticked up again very recently, but has sold off again through no real fault of its own. The market conditions have sold off in penny stocks recently. Currently 167 a share. The ticker is ATHE. They've recently appointed a new CEO 20 days ago, and they've got a nice growing revenue, as you can see here. Only just getting started really in the sort of therapy that it's starting to provide. If we hop on over to the website, they're developing best-in-class therapies to treat neurodegenerative disease. The company was founded in 1997, so it has been around for a while, so it's not got enormous amounts of history, but it has been around for a while developing this process. And then if you have a quick look here at the investing highlights, you've got a highly experienced board and management team and significant R&D commercialization experience with 3 drug approvals by the US FDA. They've got a novel drug candidate, they've got a phase 1 clinical trial program, so this is early days for that one, and they've targeted their first therapeutic multiple system atrophy, a form of atypical Parkinsonism, is a devastating disease with no approved treatment. So if they can monetize a treatment for this and help people, that's absolutely awesome as well. The market potential last time seen was $725 million for that company. Bearing in mind where this company is at the moment in terms of the penny stock range, if they can leverage some of that, this is going to be an excellent company to invest in going forward as the revenue grows. Then our last company is in the pharmaceutical area as well, but it's called BioLays, and it actually works in dentistry rather than the full medical treating people's diseases sort of field, even though obviously dentistry could be argued as a disease as well, or problems with your teeth. Again, this company has suffered a slight sell-off lately, but is due to, I would expect, to explode later on down the line. Has got a slightly high market cap of 131 million, placing against its revenue of 51 million, though that isn't very high indeed. It's only less than a 3 times price sales ratio. Now this company actually is in pretty decent shape. Revenue is expected to be in the range of 8 to 8.5 million, which would present revenue growth of 30%. The revenue has exceeded prior to the fourth quarter despite the headwinds from the pandemic. 78% of sales coming from new users and a continued positive sustained trend. 40% of sales are from specialists, which is on the increase as well. So this company has got some real good potential for this quarter and moving forward through 2021. The company is working in dentistry to provide dental lasers for the treatment that they provide, and the ticker is BIOL, and there is real potential when this starts gathering momentum for this stock to certainly explode upwards. So there you have it, guys. 3 stocks for you to check out and look into there. One in the dentistry medical field, Boyle. One in the EV sector, ADOM. And then you've got the centre one treating neurodegenerative diseases, which is super important, ATHE Therapeutics. All of them have got high potential if they're able to leverage the product that they've got. The advantage is with ADOM because the Biden administration is going to move massively towards clean energy and electronic vehicles over the next 4 years or so. So I'd expect to see this share price tick up massively there. So that is my pick of the 3. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It'd be excellent if you could smash that like button, and I will see you hopefully in the next investing episode. Catch you there.